Okay guys, it's Reed here once again, and it looks like it's that time. It's time for another exciting product review from YouTube's only straight edge food product reviewer. The only one. We have the brand new grilled chicken combo from Wendy's today, people. Now it's $5, and what you get is you get this grilled chicken sandwich, as you can see. You get an order of fries, and you get a soda. Now they also told me when I was checking out that I could have gotten Baconator fries in place of the regular fries, but I decided just to get regular fries. So I thought I would let you guys know, $5, that's a bargain. You get the sandwich, Baconator fries, you might even get chicken nuggets if you want them, and you get a soda. I mean, that is a great deal. So I'm looking forward to giving this, and I guess it's called the new grilled chicken sandwich. It looks different. The bun looks different. I've taken the tomato off mine. So we're going to see, people, how this is. See if it's worth $5, which I'm sure it is. It's Wendy's. So as always, it smells amazing. God. As always, guys, remember, if you have anything you would like Reed to review, you got to leave your comment. If Reed likes your comment, he may review your request next. Thumbnail. Okay, guys, let's get right to it. Here we go. Man. Now, people, that's a very thick piece of chicken. Look at that. Look how thick. Man. Good. That sauce they put on it is very good. It's got some good sauce on it there. And I don't know what these leaves are called. I don't know what they're called. I'm sorry. I don't know. But chicken is very good. Let's take a fry now with it here. That is very good. I like that a lot. It's got honey mustard on it. That's what it is. That's got honey mustard on it. It's real good. Yeah. That is good. That is an excellent chicken sandwich. Oh, this is a deal, people, for $5. Considering I could have got Baconator fries with this. Right. Oh, yeah. Telling you what, box. Absolutely phenomenal. Phenomenal. It's that good. It's very good. That bun is also very unique with the different seeds on top of it there. Very colorful, very attractive. Let's take one more bite of it now, people, before I give it an official review. Here we go. Due to the value, people, of this meal, awesome chicken sandwich, Wendy's fries, of course, $5. I have to give this, I'm going to give it a perfect score due to it being, it just tastes, the chicken's awesome. You got to try that. Chicken tastes great with that honey mustard on it. You can get Baconator fries with it, regular fries, chicken nuggets, a soda. $5. Wendy's has done it again. This gets a perfect 5 out of 5. Very impressed with it. Very good. You cannot beat this, people. What a great lunch for $5. It's the American way, people. Cheap processed food that tastes great. It's gonna kill us, but we don't care because it tastes good. And we live in America, the greatest country in the world. And you cannot go wrong with this. So that's pretty much it. It's great, great meal. Man, how much longer can my heart take all this fast food? I don't know. You know, I may die on camera. I may die on camera, but at least I'm gonna die living the American dream. So as always, guys, like, subscribe, and comment. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with yet another exciting product review. Oh yeah. Ah. Yeah. Let's open it right up, people. Get right to it. They also had the big ones too. You know, I get like the big packs of them, but I got the regular. Now, of course, it's gonna look just like a regular Reese cup. There you go, just like a regular Reese cup. But it's gonna be stuffed with those Reese pieces. Oh yes, here we go. Wow. It's almost like you're getting two different kinds of peanut butter. That's what it's like. Wow. Very sweet.